Hi everyone, I'll show you an easy way to make your Facebook account completely public full guide. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. As always, let's start from the beginning. First, open the Facebook app. After opening Facebook, go to your profile in the top right corner. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, select Settings. After entering Settings, find How People Find and Contact You option and click on it. Under How People Find and Contact You, first go to Who Can See Your Friend Requests. Make sure Everyone is selected instead of Friends of Friends. After selecting Everyone, don't forget to save. Once saved, go back. Next, go to Who Can See Your Friends list. Make sure Public is selected. Again, don't forget to save. After saving, go back to Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, find the Posts option and enter it. Under Posts, go to Who Can See Your Future Posts. On this page, Public should be selected. Then save it. After saving, go back once more. In Settings and Privacy, find the Followers and Public Content option and enter it. Under Followers and Public Content, make sure all options are set to public. This way, you can make your Facebook account completely public. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video.